to Sanjay Kumar for his sense of who would win Uttar Pradesh if elections are held at this moment. Let's take as a given that the opposition at this moment is fragmented. If it comes together, we'll come to that later in the show. But if things stay the way they are, the opposition parties fight separately. The BJP goes into a little bit of bickering and internal infighting, but not so bad. With Yogi Adityanath as their chief minister, what do you think would happen if elections are held just now? Sanjay Kumar.
Yes, Rahul, I am very clear. If elections are held tomorrow and the way opposition is fragmented, I think there's a clear edge for BJP. And mainly because the opposition is fragmented. Look at all the states where BJP faced the challenge or BJP managed to lose election. And the recent one is Bengal. You need a strong opposition to defeat BJP at this moment. In UP, BJP, look at the vote share of BJP. 2019 Lok Sabha elections, 2017 Lok Sabha elections, 2014 Lok Sabha elections. BJP has touched almost 45-50% vote along with the allies. So you need to pull down BJP by almost 10% vote. If at all you want to pose a challenge and all these 10% votes should go to one party, that's not likely to happen. The nearest rival, which could be Samajwadi Party, BSP, we can't even think of Congress as the nearest rival to BJP. They are standing with roughly about 25-26% vote. So in order to one of these parties to pose a challenge for BJP, they have to pull 10% vote from BJP and add all those 10% votes to their party, which is unlikely to happen. And that is why I say BJP has a clear advantage in UP.
Yashwant Deshmukh, do you agree with Sanjay Kumar's assessment that even though there has been this infighting, ministers not getting along, organization not getting along with the chief minister, allegations of Thakurwad, etc., this is just the sideshow? Net, at this moment, the opposition being the way it is, the BJP has a clear and clean edge in Uttar Pradesh. Do you agree? Or do you think because of what happened during the COVID pandemic, because of dead bodies showing up in different parts of the Ganga, there is a certain amount of anti-incumbency that's built against the BJP now?
Well, anti-incumbency or the anger is certainly there, but as Sanjay Bhai said that, the arithmetic is classically in favor of the BJP at this point of time. Even if you pull out the 10% votes away from the BJP, they are still at 35-36%, and that is like in a triangular contest more than enough to get the majority, clear majority. Unless there is a Mahagathbandhan of sort, just like in 2019, which was a right Mahagathbandhan at the wrong time, I would say, because the Modi magic was going ahead, and BJP has almost like anywhere between 10 to 20% of Modi dividend when going in for the Lok Sabha elections. So that is a different case altogether. But however, in case of Uttar Pradesh, unless there is a Mahagathbandhan, very clear-cut Mahagathbandhan of not just two, but basically all the four parties coming together, electorally speaking, I don't think they have a fight against the BJP at this point.
Now, the problem with the Mahagathbandhan theory, Ghanshyam Tiwari, is that Akhilesh is tied up with Rahul Gandhi.